Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to show hidden files and folders in File Explorer in Windows 10, 8 and 7. I will show you two methods which are very easy, and this video is going to be pretty much short and straightforward. So I'm going to show you right now the first and most common method. First of all, of course, open File Explorer, then go to View at the top, and at the end you have two options to open this setting. Just click on the icon or click on the options, change folder and search options. It's the same thing. And after it's opened, go to the view section. You do not need to scroll down, it's already at the top in here. You will see hidden files and folders, and by default it's going to show you don't show hidden files. And I'm going to enable it in a bit, but pay attention. When I'm going to enable it, it will show some hidden files that I can access them, but it needs administrator privileges. I'm gonna click apply and OK. As you can see, it showed me a file right here and some 3 folders. Of course, it's not 3 folders, just multiple. As you can see, one right here. There are multiple all over Windows, and of course you can access them, but as I said, it will show you administrator privileges to access them. For example, this folder right here, I do not know if you have it or not, but if you double click it, it will say you need administrator privileges and blah blah blah. Right now we're going to go to the second method. It's actually the same thing. You do not need to open File Explorer. Just go down here to the search box, type File Explorer options, and you're going to see the first right here. Click that and it's the same thing. Go to view, click the setting, click apply and OK, and you are done. Thanks for watching guys. That's the video. I'm pretty sure it's about 2 minutes. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section. Like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.